I have enough. I have enough faith in the. I use the word faith, huh? But yeah, I have enough faith in the audio setup currently. Yep. So things should be fine. Okay. So the trick apparently, I've forced the file to be read only. Previously, so actually I didn't have to do anything. I've fixed the problem previously. The trick is just to exit the game and start the game again, and I'll get 4K back, 2160p back. That's good. That's good to know. I just need to wait for. I just need to wait for. Well, OBS. OBS, great. Game capture and graphics capture is on. So it is sharp. Yep, sharp 4K right now. As sharp as it gets. Let's get back to what I was doing previously. I was trying to get to Minos. Minas Tirith. No, it's not Minas Tirith. This is not Lord of the Rings. Minos Wasteland. Castus. This is Fortis. There's a place called Castus. Cestus? Temeraris. Okay, it's a Turan spirit said to have inspired the crew of their first manned moon launch. You would name a boiling hot rock planet after a Turan spirit. Weird. Yeah, Temeraris is much hotter than its temperate neighbor. Yeah, Temeraris, you hot. You're so hot. You're so hot they are often struck by small meteors. No, actually, being struck by meteor has nothing to do with surface temperature of a planet.
Launching probe. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe away.
Now I changed my controller back to clicky triggers instead of usual analog triggers. I've changed it to digital triggers, so no pressure sensitivity. And the triggers on digital mode felt much lighter than I last recall. Seems like I don't require much force to activate the triggers.
Launching probe.
It'd be interesting to see how the ME2, the heavy rifle that I'm using, perform when I have digital triggers. Because I know that rifle, if I keep squeezing if I rapidly tap the right trigger, it fires multiple shots. So I'm curious if using a digital trigger allows me to fire more or less. Oh. So 320 million people live here, 640 million if you count illegals. Fucking illegal migrants. Home to dextro amino acid based life. Okay, so it's where Quarians and Turians would like to settle. Oh, so Turians settle it first. Turians settle it, and a lot of them died due to diseases, which made a lot of people leave the planet. Okay, so in order to double the population of the remaining colonists, they decided to relocate to a desert area where there's a minimum amount of pest species. Okay, even though they have trouble attracting colonists, half of the planet's population are illegal settlers due to how easily it supports life. So it's kind of contradictory, I guess. Alright, this place is, a lot of colonists want to leave the planet because it's full of diseases. It kills colonists too easily, but at the same time, it's attracted at least 300 million illegal settlers. So, get your story straight, okay? Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm finding contradiction where none exists.
Probe launched.
Bum, 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 bum.
Probe away. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe.
Oh, whoa. Alright, so there are two. Let's not be greedy. Let's do one first. There's another big one somewhere here, was it? Or is it because... I think this was the one I missed.
Probe away. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe launched.
Repeated. Great. Goodbye, Castus. Wait, Minos wasted 40%. I thought there were only 2 systems. Shouldn't it be 50%? Oh no, I think the 40% is based on the number of planets I've scanned. It's not based on the system. Pressure cooker planet with thick nitrogen heavy atmosphere. Okay, so this planet sucks in general. Although, we'll see. We shall see.
Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe launched. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe away.
Quietas. Pitus? Okay, so colonization rights is being fought over. It's in a quagmire, so no one gets to officially colonize the planet. But yeah, lots of smugglers and pirates have decided to make it their home.
Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe away. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe. Launching probe.
Okay. Last planet.
I have detected an anomaly.
Ah, so this is where I can. This is a planet where I can land on. It's red because of iron oxide dust. Hematite. Great. There are hot springs in the polar ice caps. Small facility exports water from these springs, which is water and so as having medicinal properties. This is something that humans would do. I didn't know that Turians also have superstitious beliefs. Fossil evidence. There's fossil evidence of this place harboring microscopic life. I do find it funny that a research station is funded by bottled magic water.
Beacon triggered by Universal Distress Protocol. Unregistered user or record damaged. Status is not known. Beacon triggered by Universal Distress Protocol. Unregistered user.
Okay, so someone launched a distress beacon here. I'm not gonna land on it just yet. There's an abandoned mine. Fine. Hey, stop blocking up the screen now. I want to see my minerals.
Probe away. Probe away. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe.
My last probe. Last probe.
Probe launched.
Wait, this place doesn't have. This place doesn't have a refilling station. Alright, fine. I'll go to Citadel. Stock up on probes. Come back. Is it which planet? Was it Pietas? Pietas is depleted. It's another red planet. It's this one. It's Iquitas? Kitas. Iquitas.
Probe away. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe away.
Hell yeah. Finally. Now I can save. And prepare for landing. And after landing, I do a shooty mission. That counts as having progressed time, and that means I can bonk for dear old Miranda. Let's be prepared, Miranda. Gonna have a romance coming soon. Yeah, look at my cool visor squad. Cool sunglasses squad. Okay, fine. I saw some well, not gaff, but what was it again? Those zombie things, those human zombies. Yeah. Oh, that's just a normal skeleton. It's very rare for me to see skeletons. Usually the bodies are fresh. Wait, that's a... Oh, this container is a tiny container with Cerberus symbol on it. What? Huh. This space has something to do with Cerberus?
They've seen us.
Oh, it's the husk, right. And no hurry. You're reading this, get the hell out of this place. Nah! I'm not gonna take that advice, I'm sorry. It sure make a lot of annoying noises though. Abomination. So it's red colored. I guess that makes it twice as dangerous. Are you gonna rush down here?
Kira reveals them.
You guys done yet? credits recover. So I think there was an upgrade here that I was supposed to recover, but because I've already bought that upgrade at a kiosk, I wasted money buying the upgrade. Well, I only recovered like $1,000. That's not worth it. Yeah, next time I should avoid buying upgrades. It's too late. It's a little too late now because I don't really have that much money left with me. Come on, come on.
An easy shot. Close to the sea.
Alien machine discovered. Strange glow from the alien machine, and there's a lot of oh, the alien machine makes a pretty sound. Stay near the machine, I feel better. If I don't stay near the machine, I feel worse. Yeah, that sounds like indoctrination to me, bro. That sounds like indoctrination. Wait, both routes are valid. Ah, okay.
Shepard, I detect a powerful alien signature deep within the mines. It appears the device is the source of the husks. It is likely that destroying it would stop them.
I'll kill you all!
So is it gonna be an endless slog, or where's the device? Pray tell, where is the device? I think it's endless. I think it's this device here.
There.
Oh no! I don't want to end the mission. No! Oh fuck. No, 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 no. I might have to redo the mission. And because I saw a locker that I could bypass. Good thing the game auto-saved right before this thing was destroyed. They knew. Motherfuckers knew. Yeah, I would be unhappy. The gamers would be unhappy. Ugh.
Shepard, I detect a powerful alien signature deep within the mines. It appears the device is the source of the husks. It is likely that destroying it would stop them.
It's straight up spawn. Okay. Credits in the iridium. Eh.
No messages for you, Commander.
No messages, but oh, is it time yet? Is it time, Miranda? Have you sorted out your
Miranda.
feelings?
What can I do for you?
You have a minute, Miranda?
Always. I'm dealing with a few loose ends for Cerberus. We haven't had much free time lately. But I haven't forgotten our earlier discussion. I think we're crazy, but I haven't forgotten. Assuming you're still interested.
Oh, I'm definitely interested.
Glad to hear it. I'll be by the next time things are quiet.
Oh, the game keep teasing me, huh? Fine. It'd be very awkward if Kelly Chambers is, you know, feeding my fish and then Miranda Lawson wanders in. What the fuck are you doing in Shepard's room? I'm just feeding the fishes. I swear we have nothing going on. I'm making up my own storyline already. What is wrong with me? But there's one more empty planet. Nope, it's not Strike. Titan, Sigans, Rosetta, Pilots. Is it Pilots or Phoenix Massing or which one? Huh. I think it's Pylos. I think it's Pylos. Okay, so this assignment is Typhon System, Phoenix Massing. What are the crash shit? Travel to 8. 8. Phoenix Massing. Travel to Korang. Travel to Latesh. Phoenix Massing. So this one is Phoenix Massing. This one is Hawking Eta. So Hawking Eta, Phoenix Massing. Hylos Nebula is something new then. Not listed. MSV Broken Arrow. Let's not save any ships. Let's run around. Probing planets for the next couple of hours. For real. Let's actually run around probing planets. Actually, yeah, I should probe the. Yeah, not this one. This one is close. This one is close by. Let's probe the furthest one away. Seroy. Seroy? Hmm. 5 planets. 60 probes, 5 planets. I don't think I have enough, actually. Alright, it's an ice dwarf. Don't care. Can I probe you? Yes.
Probe launched.
Let's dispense with the niceties. Let's probe.
Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe away. Probe away.
Ah, depleted. What are you? Methane ammonia. Gaius is another methane ammonia giant. Yeah. Yeah, even the guy who wrote this codex entry is unexcited, unenthused.
Probe away. Probe launched.
What is with all these methane ammonia? What is up with them? Well, they're just everywhere in this goddamn galaxy.
Probe launched.
Back in my days, we only have hydrogen, helium, giants, man. None of this methane ammonia bullshit.
Probe launched.
At least the planets are easy to deplete. That's pro in my book. Chites. Oh, that's the name of one of the moons captured by this planet. Uzin. The planet itself is called Uzin. Uzine?
Probe away. Probe launched. Probe launched. Launching probe. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe launched.
Next has water and ammonia hydrate ice. Nothing about this place being habitable.
Probe away. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe away. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe.
Natives. Whoa, this and this entry, codex entry is kind of long. Maybe there's something here. It's improbably close to the red dwarf Chrysaroid. Okay. It's almost habitable, but cold. I haven't done reading. Oh, so there is a limited native ecology going on here. Geothermal moents and so on. Some herbivore species even. Surface temperature 2 Celsius. Okay. And they are omnivorous predator species that devour the arthropods. Limited vision, fine-tuned thermal sense. Now technically, thermal sense is just infrared vision, right? So, well, whatever.
Probe away.
I mean, how else can thermal energy be detected? I need to think about this. they radiate, right? They radiate something, and that's why we are able to observe it. What we call the visible spectrum is just us being attuned to stuff, to light. Sort of light that's emitted from objects that do not produce a lot of heat. The sun itself produces a shit ton of heat, though.
Probe launched.
And the light that it casts is reflected by the objects on Earth. That's why we are able to see things.
Probe away.
Right, then let's assume the sun doesn't exist. Something that's extremely hot glows because heats up the air, I guess, if you live in a place with atmosphere. But it also emits infrared radiation if it's warm enough.
Probe away. Launching probe.
I need to brush up on my physics. Yeah, this little rant just sort of tells me that my physics is extremely rusty. Extremely. This thing, knowledge that you do not use and you haven't applied frequently, it's easy for you to
Probe
yeah,
launched.
easy for you to not just lose the knowledge, but it's easy for the knowledge itself to be corrupted, and you misremember things in the worst ways possible because you get extremely high confidence. Oh, hey, I remember it should work like this, and then you start pontificating about something in a completely incorrect manner.
Probe away. Probe away.
15 probes left over. Perfect.
Fuel at 1/2 capacity. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe.
Oh, it's gonna be like that, huh? Another planet where it's precious little to mine, but it's not counted as depleted.
Launching probe.
I just realized I spent an hour probing planets. Great. It's not even 3 bars. I actually have to start mining 3 bars. I really don't want to do that. What a waste of probes. But then it comes down to contests of wasting time or wasting probes. I am cash strapped because I spent a lot of my cash buying upgrades. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go for the three stars. I've circled the planet, I think, at least once or twice by now.
Launching probe. Launching probe.
Borrow. Young Volus Colony World. 1,600 people living here. Smaller than population size of some space stations even.
Launching probe. Launching probe. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe away. Launching probe.
Didn't even notice that I ran out of probes. Okay. Borrow. I'll come back for you, Borrow. Do I actually have enough money to buy? Shit. Okay, I think I can afford to buy fuel and probes.
Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away.
And the weak gravity, low mass. Our gravity is so weak that cruiser can land on it. Yes, there is no particular reason one would want to land a cruiser on it. Also, I don't think most cruisers are designed to land on planets, so they don't really have like landing gears or anything like that. I think cruisers have like docking capabilities but not landing. Okay, so pirates land here to recover ice. Ooh.
Probe away.
I have half a mind of actually just napping. If I'm starting to yawn, that means energy levels are low.
Probe away.
It'd be very funny for me to fix the 4K resolution issue, relaunch the game, relaunch the stream, play for 1 hour more, but that extra hour of play just consists of me probing planets.
Launching probe.
How exciting.
Probe away.
I think it's a combination of the heat and the fact that I'm probing the heat and the fact that I'm engaged in a rather monotonous activity. That's the reason why I feel a little tired. Heat from GPU, that is.
Launching probe.
It's not that warm. It's nighttime, but yeah, I'm playing this game. I'm cranking the settings to the max, so
Probe away.
yeah, the GPU is going to be releasing a lot of heat.
Probe away.
Still prefer, you know, my room to be warmer than deal with winter cold.
away.
Although I would hate when summer comes. When summer is just, yeah. There's no air conditioning, so it's just terrible all
Launching
around.
probe.
Yeah, there's one hidden planet here. I'm only at 60%, and once I scan this planet, it'll be 80%. So that must mean that there's one hidden planet somewhere here. Rhizaris. So this planet is Rhizaris. There's a impact crater called Teriinu. Teriinu. I don't know. Oh, this impact crater struck the planet and left a lot of Ezo on it. Sakura Nebula.
Probe launched. Probe away.
Yeah, so the Teri Inu, I think, is actually something related to Japanese. Maybe Inu is
Probe launched.
dog, but the Tery. The thing is, I haven't seen Japanese phonetization use ry.
Launching probe.
Te, yes, you know, te. But ry, no such thing as ri. No, not in Japanese. Could be the game designer's attempt to improvise Japanese phonetization, or maybe not improvise, but rather adapt it to non-Japanese speaking population. Imagine how a Japanese word would be pronounced by, say, an English speaker.
Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe away. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe launched.
Try not to waste probes because I'm down to about 25. And there's still one hidden planet.
Probe away. Probe launched.
Ah, okay. Where's the secret planet? Ah, the sun itself. Red cell. Oh, Red cell is a massive hot Jupiter gas giant that whips around the star Saturn once every 4.5 days. Most planets of its time have migrated inwards from its initial position in the system. So there's a temperature difference of 1000 degrees Celsius from the hot and cold poles. Oh, I can hardly see it, but now that I squint, I just realized that the sun isn't a perfect sphere. There is indeed a giant planet next to the sun.
Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe.
This is not the first time I've encountered a hot Jupiter, and yeah, this is also not the first time I'm disappointed by the depiction of a hot Jupiter, because they always say that, you know, a hot Jupiter, there's one side that's really hot, one side that's really cool, but every single time they make it so that the entire planet is just a glowing red hot. Can't really see the temperature difference.
Probe launched. Probe launched.
Although maybe, you know, there's no scientific basis for planet looking different. If the temperature difference between two places or two poles on the planet is just 1000 degrees Celsius. Maybe there is a difference, but you know, it's not in the visible spectrum of light that human eyes can perceive, and that's why it seems uniformly glowing to human eyes.
Probe launched. Probe launched.
All right. Fourteen probes. Okay. I'm gonna drive over. Drive. I just used the word drive. But I'm gonna fly over to this place. It's a view. Get some probes. Fly over to this system, the radar, and then I'm calling it. Yeah, gotta take a nap. Gonna take a nap. And then wake up and do some stuff and take a longer nap, an even longer nap. Yes, that's the actual end of the stream.